Okay, this is a beautiful, beautiful card holder in this incredible shade of red. It's by Armani and it's just beautiful in gorgeous grained leather. Okay, so it comes with the box as well, always nice to have a box. Okay, so there's 9 card slots on the front. You've got a deep pocket on the front. On the back, you've got the window pocket. And then a zip top closure to this pocket here, which has got the side gusset so you can fit things inside. Beautiful, beautiful little wallet. It is in excellent condition. The exterior is excellent, the interior is excellent, the hardware is excellent. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece of Armani. There is a link to this. If you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a link to this on our website. If you go to my comments below, hit the link, it will take you to the website. Whilst you are on the website, sign up to our newsletter because then you'll get 10% off your first purchase with us. Dead easy to do. Scroll to the bottom of any page on the website. There's a little box, put your email address in it. You'll be sent an email immediately that you need to verify to check that you are, human and not robot. And then once you've done that, you will be sent immediately your discount code, and it's that discount code that you'll need to enter at checkout to get 10% off. If you don't get either the verification email or your discount email, check your spam folder. Okay, it might be that your security rules our discount codes can't get through. So if it doesn't come through, check your spam folder and it will be in there and you can get your 10% off. In the comments below, I've also put a link to our Instagram. If you are on Instagram, please come and join us now. Go now, hit the link to Instagram, hit follow our journey on Instagram. And if you haven't already signed up to our newsletter, this channel, sign up to the channel. We've got Armcandy coming in thick and fast. Every day there'll be a new video on YouTube so you can see if your dream bag has arrived at Armcandy.